The date is critical. The Maharaja had to sign before Indian troops went in. For years, India's maintained that its senior official, VP Menon, got the papers signed in Jammu on the 26th of October. The Indian official version remained unchallenged for decades, until recently, that is, when a top-secret document appeared in the India Office archives. It was by Alexander Simons, the acting British High Commissioner, and it shows that VP Menon couldn't possibly have gone to Jammu on the 26th of October, giving the lie to his version of events.
26th of October 1947, 3:30 p.m. Mr. Menon said he was leaving for Kashmir by air in 10 minutes. Without delay, I went to the aerodrome at once to try and see him before the aeroplane took off. I found Mr. Menon on the point of returning to Delhi because he had left it too late to reach Kashmir before nightfall.
Looking at the new evidence, one of India's official historians has come up with a counter-theory. It acknowledges that dates were falsified, but maintains accession was legal. The Maharaja's son doesn't find this conspiracy theory convincing.
He claims that the accession was in fact signed on the 25th in Srinagar. But probably we would have heard, or we would have known.
Do you accept, though, that there is a possibility that it wasn't signed in that room on the 26th?
No, but the letter is dated 26th. You mean to say, no, what you are then suggesting is some elaborate plot in which Mountbatten was also involved and VP Menon was also involved and my father was also involved. And I would think it very unlikely that a Maharaja would fudge a date, for God's sake. Why should he do it?
We do know that after the troops went in on the 27th of October, VP Menon did make it to Jammu. Was that the day he got the accession signed?